Hello guys, this is Dr. Lior Bar-El, and today we're going to do an awesome review. Now you guys know I do always the reviews for this every time a new one comes out by DJI. I did a review for you guys. I love that you guys really loved it. I do the test the way it's supposed to. We're not a paid for reviewer, so we go through the test as you guys love, and be sure to show up for that test video, because I'm going to put it through the test as what they claim out of the box it does. We're going to put that into the test, and be sure, it hasn't come out yet, but there's a Z-axis gimbal, and you guys know what I say about those. They're all gimmicky and they never work right, and we'll do a review for that once it comes out, and it'll be away. It's not by DJI, it's another company. Apparently it has raving reviews and all of that. When they were testing it, they said all kinds of stuff, and it goes really together with this, so we're going to get into that. So this is what we're doing the review today about the DJI OM4. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, the DJI OM4. So you can see how this baby looks right here. There's some differences here compared to the old ones, especially the ones that I have. You guys know I bought all of them. I did reviews for y'all, and you see how they're getting better and better. And right now, as the cell phones are becoming better, for example, the Samsung Note Ultra 20 shoots at 8K. Why would you not want to use one of these babies? So right now, this is, as they're getting better, the Osmo itself, even though you could put add-ons of stuff on the Osmo where, you know, you could get like 4K RAW and stuff, but you'd have to pay an arm and a leg to get into that. It's just really expensive. So they have these cheaper options that you could take with you on trips. And what I love about it is you could see the evolution. The first time the mobile came out, I wasn't a big fan of it. I said that they should have included that as an add-on for the regular Osmo, and in the end they did. But I wasn't a big fan of it because you still had to take care of it, put it in a case, and I was terrified and scared. And every time I thought I'd break it. Then the next one came out, and then the second one, then the third one started having the foldable one, which you could just toss in your bag and not have to care, and not worry. The thing is, with the third one, it actually came with a good case. And this, you know, when you bought the kit, this one only comes so far. I don't know, maybe by the time I release this, the kit will come out. It comes only with a pouch, so that kind of sucks. But here we go. Let me just show you how it looks all the way around here, so you guys see it. And I'm just going to say they have, this one has a magnetic mount, which I got to tell you, when I was holding it in my hands, I was kind of scared. I'm not even kidding. It has Active Track 3.0. Quick roll, gesture controls, like pretty much all the other ones had. And to be honest, I would not use I never used the DJI app anyway, Mimo or whatever it's called, or any app that they use. What I end up using is just my camera settings, because I could shoot at 8K at this point, so why would I need that? So anyways, let's see how this thing opens up. Wow, this is, oh, okay, here we go. Here we go. So this is how it looks. Let's take an overhead right here, and we'll see how it looks. Okay, guys, so you can see all the junk on my table right here. So right now we're going to open this baby up, okay? This is what it includes. So first off, this is how it is. Includes this little casing right here. So you can see already, comes with this. It's kind of like a clip-on right into your, we're going to get into that, right into your phone. And it comes already, so you don't have to buy the kit. This thing already comes with it, which is actually much bigger than the other one. This tripod right here, kind of same quality, but makes for a nicer grip because it's longer. Comes with a cord, of course, so you can put your phone directly to it. Right here. Wow, already it turned on. What the hell? All right, here we go. And you can see already there's a magnet right here. So we'll get into that. This one right here. So you could stick it on. And right here, this is how you put your phone in. And we're going to get into all of that. I just want to show you guys first exactly what it includes. Let me get this little pouch out. Really a big disappointment. I really did not want a pouch. I really was hoping that we'd get something else instead of a pouch, but whatevs. It's kind of weird that it has that. This thing right here, 3M, okay? Put it right on top of there. We'll get right into that also once we look, because I need to use my hands. Anyways, and yeah, well, we're gonna go right into it. Okay, guys, so let's take a look here. This is much easier. So it's just sticky, so you could put your thing on there. I am personally not a fan, but we'll see, because obviously, unless I had like a dedicated thing I would use on it, but I guess this is more like a flat one. Alcohol swabs right there, so you could use a flat. I guess this is magnet. I'm not sure if it is. Let me see here. No, it's not. So I don't know what that is, but that's one. Here it is, the pouch. Let me just show you guys. And remember, guys, stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna actually put it through the test. And look, the pouch doesn't even really, and you know, if you take, where's that thing here? Comes with, you take this little thing here, you put it in. I mean, I don't know, this feels kind of very crappy. I don't know what to tell you. Anyways, let's see what the hell's in here, and then we're gonna get into that. So this is, I guess, the literature. Not that I think anybody needs this. It's pretty much self-evident if you had an Osmo, but this is a different type of one, because it starts to use magnetic control, so it's a little bit different than the norm. And right here is the, yeah, let me get this out of here. Let me actually first show you guys this. So this one you put in back of your phone. I'm not kidding. So if you like, my wife loves this. Those type of, you know, where you have your ring there or whatever, you know, your finger on it as you're talking on the phone. So you might want to put that directly on your phone, and then, you know, you could just kind of like just put that right in, and you see, you stick it right here. So this is a solid ring. So this is actually more powerful than those cheapo ones you get, those pops or whatever they're called. So this is pretty cool. If you could put that on back of your phone, you know, you would just put that in and, you know, have that, and that would be already a magnet. Where's that damn thing? Here we go. Let me show you. So if you wanted to use it this way, you could just simply put your phone on. You see that? Magnet. Wow, this is a tough one. Ooh. Okay, so you remember how I told you I was kind of scared using this thing? Because, you know, a phone on a very expensive phone with you know, to rely on just a magnet. This thing is a very strong magnet. You have to have a lot of force to actually remove that. So this thing is actually pretty darn strong. Let me take this out. I don't know why. Ugh. So that's pretty darn strong, to be honest with you. And the fact that it just like that flattens, it's pretty good. I got to see if that's gonna, because I have a wallet case. I don't know, but for anybody that has a regular phone, it could probably fit, you know, something as flat as this could fit right into, you know, with no issues. Now, of course, you can use, what is this? I guess you could put this in. I have no idea what this is. I got to read up on that. Oh, wow. Okay, so it actually sticks. Ooh, okay. So it sticks. You could have this, so I guess then it comes out easier. But I don't know if I could put my wallet phone on that. I would have to test it out. And then, of course, if you can't have that and you have a wallet phone, you have something like this. And look, the thing does stretch. You see that? So it could take. And then, of course, where's that damn thing? So now they figured out a way to do it through magnets, which I got to tell you, I am actually a big fan of this. I did not think it was going to be this dope, and it is actually this dope, so that's pretty darn cool. I really did not think this was going to be like that. And now you got, I still like the Osmo button better. It was like kind of like a PSP version. Let me just shut this off here. So it's kind of like a PSP version in a way. The old Osmo, I don't know why they took that out. Oh my God, look at that. That requires a lot of power to take out. That's insane. So I'm telling you, this thing is pretty darn dope for what it does. Let me see here. I think it's this way. I always screw this up. Oh, here we go. The other one, I kind of had to get used to it too. Here we go. And then you just stick it in there. Now look at this. Oh, where's that damn thing? So I am going to be showing you with the Z-axis gimbal when I get it, and this, okay? And still, I am not a fan of this, and I'll tell you why. As I told you, I really would prefer, even though this thing has a 15-hour battery, I do like the original where you can replace the batteries out of there, where this one you can't. And the thing that I don't like about it is they did not improve it at all, because as you can see, this thing is still slanted, so you need to compensate. I don't know why they did that again, but that's kind of annoying. And this is very flat and longer, to be honest. So, I mean, I'm going to charge this baby up. We're going to put it through the test. We're going to take it over. I'm going to see if on my note with the wallet case, again, not everybody has a wallet case, but if you have a wallet case, you know, you might, you know, not want to use even this. I'm not sure how that's going to work. I have to check it out. And we're going to do a test right away. And I'm going to show you guys if it is as stable. So first, what we're going to do is stay tuned for the video. I'm going to do first a regular thing. We're going to put it through the test, walking around, seeing if this did actually improve. I'm going to do it also with this. So you guys are going to see if this makes a difference. The handle, which it did in the old ones. We're going to see how the heck that works. And we're gonna put it to the test. Oh, look at that. We're gonna put it to the test, and we're gonna see how the heck it is. All right. So definitely, I want you guys to stay tuned for that. It's gonna be one hell of a review. This is just an unboxing, so nothing really special about it. But I will say this: I love the fact that it came with its own like pop, and it's all metal. It looks like, and I love that it comes with this. I do love the fact that it's using magnetic. And I guess that's why they didn't really want to include a big case, a heavy-duty case, for the reason that this thing really, even the last one, it's something you could just throw into your, into your bag and be done with it. Things I would have loved to see. Now here we go. Over here is the USB, sorry. So you could always charge it. You could even do the one I did a review for y'all. This one, this battery. So you could do a review. You could see my review on that. You could actually charge it up right there and have it work even longer. But 15 hours, do you really need more than that is a question. But of course, this will go bad after a while. Who knows? But this is pretty cool. I don't know what I guess the only thing I would say I wish they did that they did on the regular Osmo is have some kind of a dove insert there that you could put an attachment for like a microphone or something like that. That would be really dope to have. I don't know why they didn't do that on this one. That's really weird, because that was also on the requested. People asked for that. But again, this is like your mom and pop soccer game type thing. But also, you know, for weddings, in my wedding, we actually had the original Osmo 360 VR camera, professional camera, and we had regular Osmo. So we did the mobile for Facebook Live and social media, and the I think the Osmo was just recording, just to give us the the non-intrusive things, and then we had the other cameras from everywhere else. But it did the job really, really well. So this is a really good piece of equipment. If you don't want to hire people, you could give it to your families. Buy few of these. You don't want to hire a video guy. Hire some of your friends. Have them do it as a favor, like my friends did for me, and they were all with mobile Osmos and taking the best shots ever that no videographer will ever get, and you don't have to pay a fortune. And then it's kind of fun to put it together with your wife and just sit there and put all your memories together into a video. So it's pretty cool. This thing is definitely worth the money at $165, but definitely worth the price. I remember the original was like $200, $250. I forgot what it was. So it was pretty expensive, and then it got really, really down in price. So this is something definitely to think about. I think it's very, very useful, especially to take it with you on the go on trips. I'm sorry that it's my camera is moving a lot here and rumbling. It's because I'm actually 3D printing right now on the table here. 3D printing, nice prize that's coming very, very soon. You guys will see. Definitely check it out on my Instagram. You'll see what I'm working on. But this is pretty cool, and I really love the fact that they're using magnets. I gotta say, I was a bit skeptical. I was a bit scared and pessimistic about it when they said they were using that. And right now I'm seeing, and I said it has to be one hell of a powerful magnet in order for me to trust what is it, $1,400 phone on it. And you know what? It is. So pretty awesome. I mean, damn. Really, really. Look at this. I mean, this thing is definitely, I definitely highly recommend it. Again, I do wish that they had this more like a bump here. I did wish that they had some kind of input that you could put like a dove, like, I don't know, like a cheese plate, you know, into a dove insert. That would have been really cool because you could put microphones. But again, this is cool. It's going to just, I guess, depend on your stuff. For vlogging, this would be kick butt. Just take it like that and just vlog, or put it on a table and you do your YouTubing or whatnot. But yeah, this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool. Let me see if I got my, this is the old one here. So I want to see if this is, so it came also in one of these pouches here. So this is one of my old ones, but look at the difference here, okay? So this is the first one, I believe. This is the first one. And as you can see here, this was smart. You see, this was really smart. I don't know why it doesn't have it here, unless I'm missing something. I don't know why, but it doesn't have it. And that kind of sucks, because you can't put any microphone here or anything like that, which really, really sucks. Or even I could put an extended battery on a battery holder. I don't know why they didn't have it on this. I guess because this one, you see, has a battery insert, where this one does not. I just don't get it. I don't know why they did that. I have no idea. But I guess they didn't listen to their customers. But that's my only gripe. And because of that, unfortunately, I mean, for professional use, I would say, I mean, I'm going to give this definitely an 8 out of 10. If you could get your hands on the old-fashioned one, they're both 3-axis gimbals. I'm sure you could work your way around it, but you'll be able to do more attachments on this thing. You'll probably have to jerry-rig something to have it work. But this thing, you need to have some kind of case, because you could see this was not meant to fold. It's not heavy duty, where this thing, the new one, is more heavy duty. So something worth looking at right there. But I do recommend this still, because this is great for going on, you know, on the go, soccer moms, all that, or even professional shooting. As long as you use, let's say, pro recording on it, you could get that as like a C camera or a B camera in certain situations. So this is pretty darn cool, that you could just throw it in your bag, get 15 hours of it, or if you needed more, you could do that. I just really, really wish they had a dove plate on this. I don't know why they didn't. Unless I'm missing something here. But they don't. I don't see it. Anyways, let me know what you guys think. As always, this is an honest review by honest people. This is the people's channel. That's the reason I opened it in the first place, because I was sick and tired of those paid-for reviewers who lie to you. So we're gonna, you know, that's what this channel is about. And I love you guys for offering Patreon services, but I'd rather you guys keep that money. We live in uncertain times right now. Spoil your families. Invest it, you know, give it to charity, or buy the tech that we do reviews. I definitely do recommend this. I do like the fact that it has this. This one, unfortunately, is already, you know, seen its day, because no phone that, you know, my Note cannot fit in this at all. So the other one could at least fit, but this one can't. So this is the next generation. Yes, they have some, you know, cons to it, but it's all around a good unit to use. So anyways, let me know what you think. Definitely stay tuned for the video test, and then afterwards we're going to be testing out the Z-axis gimbal once it arrives to me, which they said 4 to 8 weeks or whatever, so it's going to be a while. And I'm already letting you know, all of them are gimmicky and they never really work as advertised, but let's see. Perhaps it will, and it'll actually fill in a big void, and that'll be pretty cool. So anyways, let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, hit that bell button. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye. As always, guys, if you like what you see, self-funded here, be sure to check out all my other stuff, from mini-series to unboxings to technology, you know, and Nintendo reviews and 3D printer reviews and all that good stuff. If you like what you see, the only way you can help the channel is by liking this video, subscribing, and hitting that bell button. As many more cool videos to come. Definitely want you guys in it, and I want you guys to be vocal. Definitely comment down below. I want to hear what you guys have to say. Have a good one, y'all. Take care. Bye.